Hi all, in this video we are going to look at the only cheapest mechanical keyboard you can get. This Cosmic keyboard is the only cheapest mechanical keyboard you can get. There is lot of other mechanical field keyboard at this price point, but the only mechanical one is this Cosmic keyboard. It comes with blue switches and it got the nice tactile feedback and the clicky sound. About the build quality of this keyboard is built like tank and there is no flex on this keyboard. Also, it is very compactly built. It's very small size and it's very compact. Next, about the keys of this keyboard. The keycaps of this keyboard got a rough feel as well as smooth feel. So I got mixed feeling about these keycaps. Sometimes I feel very good while using this keyboard. That is, I feel very good to type and to game by using this keyboard. But sometimes I feel irritated. So I got mixed feeling about this keyboard. One thing I really like about this keyboard is the arrangement of keys. It got small step style arrangement. Next, about the font they used. I really don't like the font they used on this keyboard. I really didn't like that font. Also, if there is no LED turned on this keyboard, the chance of you seeing the lettering is very slim. You can't really see the lettering unless you turn on the LED of the keyboard. Speaking of LED, each line got their own color and you can't change that color, and there is about 10 different modes of LED lighting and also 3 brightness level and 3 speed level. So you can control all that things, but you can't control the color of the LED. Also, another thing is that there is special shortcut to illuminate the keys that you use while gaming. So you can illuminate the only keys that you are going to use while gaming. So that's all about this keyboard, guys. About the typing experience, frankly, this is my first mechanical keyboard that I got and I really love the typing experience. I really like the feedback, the sound, everything. I really like everything. Only thing is that I sometimes feel irritated due to the softness that comes after the roughness. So that's the only thing. Apart from that, I really like that. I'm using it. I'm going to still use it. So it's very good to use. There is no that much of a big problem. I didn't face any problem, so it's good to get. So that's all about this Cosmic Byte keyboard, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.